para sa dish natin today, huhugot tayo ng recipe galing sa Simple the Cookbook. Ito siya, a very popular na recipe. Napakadaling gawin at talagang perfect for the Christmas season. Ito, chicken hamonado. Isa sa pinakamagandang technique para sumarap at maging juicy yung inyong manok ay asinan siya, no? Dry brine, just use a bit of salt and let it rest for a short while, no? So ito, not only lalabas yung flavor ng ating chicken, pero mas magiging juicy at malambot ang ating manok. So ito, lalagyan natin ng palaman yung ating chicken. Very popular talaga tong recipe na to kasi sobrang daling gawin and you will fall in love with this recipe once you make it for your family. Yeah. So, and luya. 2 slices of ginger. And ating manok na inasinan na. Madali lang yan kasi papalaman natin itong ating bawang, sibuyas, at luya. And at that rest, ating manok is ready. And now we are ready to cook. Yan. Lalagyan natin sa aking maganda at bagong pot. Ito. O, diba? Napakaganda ng aking lutuan. Cook and serve, lalo na sa Pasko, diba? Ayaw na natin marami hugasin. And lalagay na natin yung ating other ingredients. Napakasimple. Isipin lang natin para tayong nag-adobo. So, we start off with our suka. A bit of suka. Soy sauce. Ganyan, o. And para gumanda yung kulay natin, banana or tomato ketchup. Ganun lang, kadali, no? Mga ingredients easily found at home. Lagyan natin ng konting tubig. Kasi ito na rin magiging sauce or glaze natin. Pineapple. We will add our pineapple. Pwede mong isabay yung ating pineapple chunks. Pwede mo ding ihuli. So, yung gagawin ko, kalahati, lalagay ko, naiiwan para sa aking garnish. Mix natin. And of course, dahil hamonado siya, kailangan natin ng sugar. We are adding around 3/4 cup of sugar. So, that's around 16 tablespoons. Ganun yung estimate natin. Lalagay tayo ng 4 to 5 pieces of star anise. Pero kung gusto mong mas mabango, pwede mo siyang igisa. Stir natin. Mix natin. Ganyan, no? Para tayong naglalaga lang. Sobrang simple ng ating recipe. Pero pag makita niyo yung finished product, sobrang nakakatakam. Cover our pot. And let's turn on our heat yan. And this recipe is brought to us by Island Gas, kung saan sakto ang timbang para sa lahat. Kaya sigurado tayo, tama ang nakukuha nating gas sa ating pagluluto. Napaka-simple talaga ng recipe na to, lalo na nagmamadali ka or wala ka masyadong mga available ingredients. Manok lang nakakagawa na ng dish na pwede pang handa, na bonggang-bongga na sa lamesa mo. Ang ganda tignan kasi buo yung manok. And eto lang siya, papakuluan mo lang at hindi ka natatakot na magiging hilaw kasi halos lubog yung manok sa kumukulong sauce niya. Ilalaga mo lang yung manok mo. Depending sa size, mga 45 to 50 minutes, no? So, pag malaki yung manok, more than 1 kilo, baka umabot ka na 1 oras. So, adjust ka lang ng cooking time mo. Ito, malapit na siya kumulo. Pero ito pa lang, ang bango na ng ating kusina. Amoy hamon ka. O, di ba? So, ito, pag kumulo na yung ating sabaw, papahinaan natin to para hindi umapaw at very gentle yung cooking para hindi maging dry or hindi kumalas, di ba? Hindi mag-break yung chicken dahil sa sobrang pagka-overcook. We just want it to be cooked perfectly. Importante talaga dito na masiguro mo na asinan mo yung inyong chicken ahead of time. It's like brining, pero it's a dry brine kasi may sariling moisture na rin yung chicken natin. Pero ito is going to be so beautiful and so delicious after. And our chicken is almost done. Look at that, ha. Ang dali-dali gawin. Gawa tayo ng slurry to thicken. So, it's just cornstarch and water. Dissolve lang natin. Dissolve natin yung ating cornstarch. Drizzle our sauce. drizzle our slurry to thicken the sauce. Yan, halo-halo natin ng konti. Ganda, oh. Oh, wow, di ba? Look at that, no? So, just baste your chicken to always glaze the breast part. So, the breast is very juicy dahil it practically just steams in the pot. And we will just julienne some red bell peppers. Ganyan lang. Cut thinly. Add some color and more flavor to our sauce. Merry Christmas! Add the rest of our pineapple and finish with black pepper. And we will just let this cook for a few more minutes until all the flavors come together. And this is the perfect centerpiece for your Noche Buena. Napakadaling gawin. Of course, very affordable to do as well. And most importantly, napakasarap. Hamon na hamon yung dating. And ito na yung ating chicken hamonado. And of course, dito tayo sa pinakamasarap at pinakamalaman at juicy na part. Beautifully cooked. Napakasarap. Oh. Woo! Yan. Perfect bite. Ito with the sauce and all that. Ito, sobrang sarap nito sa kanin. Ito talaga makanin na ulam. Kuha tayo ng konting pineapple for the perfect hamonado bite. And here it is. Our holiday chicken hamonado. No fail recipe. I've cooked this so many times and it's always perfect and delicious. And also very hassle-free. One pot recipe for the holidays, perfect for the Noche Buena. Chicken hamonado, very, very simple. And Merry Christmas sa ating lahat. And this is the perfect recipe for you to do our holiday chicken hamonado.